Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. I have a quick project share for you. I have created another Eileen Hull pocket notebook. I have another one on my channel that is actually sold in my Etsy shop, and it's sold already, but you can go there for inspiration and check that out. This one, as I'm making this video, is still available, so I recently posted it. Completely different look. It just goes to show you between the two journal covers what people have a variety of different styles and tastes. Again, I made this one using about the inch, so I used inch binding, so you can make it a little bit bigger if you need to, or smaller if you cut off one of the bits there. But this has 3 holes across, and I tied it with some white, or sort of off-white seam binding. That's what I'm looking for, and that's from Really Reasonable Ribbon, and it's with white elastic. I think it's 2mm. It might be 1mm. I can't remember now. It's this roll. I get these giant rolls off Amazon, so they're a great deal, and a great easy way to slip in some signatures. So what I did for this, so I had my mat board. This is a Sizzix mat board, and on one side I painted it, so that's the inside here. And if you can just catch that glimmer, this is, I think it's a Martha Stewart acrylic paint, but it's a really light, pretty blue. And then I took a Nuvo glacier paste and wiped it all over, and it's sort of translucent except for these little bits of silver glow, and it reminds me of like Elsa or something like that. It's just very wintry, very not that it has to be winter, but very icicle-y. I don't know, very pretty. So it would make a great Elsa type journal if you changed the front bird or whatever. I guess, I don't know, maybe there are winter birds that are that gold, but anyway, and so you can just slip in your signatures there. You could also put pockets on here, and so forth. So on the outside, so on the flip side of the mat board, I took some of my own digital paper that I sell in the shop. It's called can't talk today, I'm so cold. Vintage Botanical Slate, and it's got some beautiful grays and blues, and it worked perfectly for this. So I have that paper here for the front cover and the back cover, and then one of the other papers in my collection, I cut out this spellbinders die from this. So this die, and I use adhesive sheets to stick that down, so it makes it really easy. And I do sell, there are, when I get back from vacation here, there are a couple listings I have so far that have already adhesive back paper that you can get if you want to try out some of these techniques. So anyway, so this die here is from a past, not quite a year ago, but maybe 9 months ago-ish, Spellbinders Amazing Paper Grace die cut of the month. There, so like I said, I cut part of that out of my own paper, and then this bit I cut out of some Nuvo specialty paper that I had in my stash from a Tonic craft kit. These are 2 little flowers that I fussy cut from a recent haul, if I've got it posted. It is a haul that has some die cut out and some papers and things, so not sure which video is coming first, but hit the bell to subscribe, and then you'll be in the loop for all the videos. So anyway, those are die cut from there. Beautiful flowers from a company called Mintay, M-I-N-T-A-Y, I believe. And then this is a bird from an old Prima collection, Zella, something like that. And I'm so terrible with the details. These little butterflies are from a recent Tonic craft kit, the dot and drop one, and then I put some Tonic Nuvo dots in the middle there. So I feel like it's really pretty. It's very, it could go for a winter journal, it could go for like a Mother's Day, it could go for all sorts of things, and it's got plenty of room to chunk out some things. And so look at that room there. It measures about 4.5, 4.25 by 6 3/4. So it's called Eileen Hull's Sizzix Pocket Notebook, and it's a great die. I love it. And I'll be doing a tutorial for the other one that I posted, so a similar type one to there, so stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you have a creative day and make some beautiful things.